Hello, are you ready? It's time for math. I've missed you all. Oh, it's so good to see you. Yeah, I know. My new headband is pretty rocking, isn't it? I got some new fluffs from Target. We are ready to do math, or at least I'm ready, so you should get ready. We're going to page 31. 31. Some good hints to identify or know by looking which page we want. Are you looking for necklaces, some vegetables, and tens and ones sticks? Today we're counting and then we're going to pick the greater number. Greater means bigger number. So we're looking for the big number today and we're going to be circling it the whole time. So we're working on big numbers. Here we go, page 31. Let's rock this. Let's do this. Let's also hope that my camera wants to work. Oh, it does. However, how about that? It is extra blurry. Don't worry. I'll do some fixing. Okay. Dear camera, please don't be blurry. Oh, perfecto. Okay. So grab a pencil or a pen because we need that for our work. Write your name. Remember, you have one capital letter, unless you're writing like Mr. Jack or Mrs. Jones, where you would have two capital letters. Try that date on your own because we're all doing it at different points in the year or day or days. So we're going to count and circle bigger numbers. Remember, when it's a group, that means 10. So we have 10, 11, 12, 13. Great. See if you can beat me. Can you get this one? How many are there? 10. I always like to cross off as I go so I can keep track. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, by yourself, circle the bigger number. Yeah, it's 19. Okay, let's try these are like peanuts that like elephants like to eat. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Write a 3 and a 6. Remember, you're supposed to write all of these jobs. Here we go. 10, 11, 12, 13. Circle the greater number, and I hope you're like, oh, Mrs. Jones, sorry, my chair is having a moment. Your greater number should be, whoopsie daisy, 36. Whoop. Thanks. Okay, let's go down and count these. 10, 20, 30. 3 in the tens place, 0 in the ones place. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Who's bigger? 30. Yeah, I'd rather have 30 pieces of cake than 29. Also, I wouldn't be able to move if I did that. Let's see if you can, this one has a lot, but I have a quick way to count it. You're like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the rows of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Oh, did you like that quick way? 30. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 rows of 10. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32. 32. Who's bigger? 32. Now we're going to circle the greater number in each pair. The pair goes across. So I like to write it above so I can think about that number. This is a 1 and a 2, which is 12, or a 3 and a 2, which is 32. Who's bigger? Or you're like, oh, I want to have 12 pieces of pizza or 32. I pick 32, although we might be so full if we did that. Here's how it's going to look again. I have 28 or I have 32. Who's greater? Yeah, 32 is. 19 or 15. Who's greater? 19. How about 31 or 26? Yeah, 31. Now we're back to our dimes and pennies. Let's go over what they are. Dimes mean 10. I see all of these are 10. So look at, I labeled them for you. These are all pennies. P for pennies. Circle the greater set. So let's find out. We count by tens. 10, 20, 30. I have 30 here. Or I have 1, 2, 3. Mrs. Jones said, do you want $30 or $3? Oh, 30. Circle that guy. All right, let's turn the page and find 32. All right. Ooh, I love that there's more pictures for us. I can always zoom in if that's much better for you. So now this time it says for each pair, write the number and circle fewer. Well, that's changing our thinking. Fewer means smaller number. So now we want to think small. 10, 11, 12, 13. 1 and a 3 is the same as 13. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Smaller number? Yes, I hear you. It's 13. Try this one. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1 and a 4. 10, 11. Who's smaller, 14 or 11? Think small, fewer. 11. 10, 11. Oh, we just did that one. And 10, 20. Think smaller or fewer. They mean the same thing. Yeah, it's 11. Counting by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40. A 4 and a 0. Or 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. A 2 and a 0. Who's smaller or fewer? Yeah, you're totally right. It's 26. Now, take my hint or take my strategy where I say you write the 2 and the 5, right? I always like to write them out so I can visualize what number it is. Who's smaller? Thanks so much. It's 15. Now I have 28 or 32. Smaller, fewer. Smaller and fewer, 28. 18 or 13. Think small. Yep. 31 or 26. Think small. And now we're back to the challenge where they give us pennies and dimes. Label first. Oh, small in size, so dime, penny, penny. Let's label over here. Penny, dime, dime. Now you don't have to label them, but I love to do that so I know what they are. 10, 11, 12. I have 12 or 10, 20, 21. Uh-oh. This is tricky because if you look quickly, you could be confused. But don't get confused, 12 is smaller. Circle the amount that has less, okay? Oh, you're all shouting, circle 17. Now, it's to show, right? How do I show it? We have to draw 17. Here's how I'm gonna draw it. I'm gonna draw it with my 10s, 1 10, and my 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 17, right? Over here, I need to draw the 32. 3 10s, 1, 2, 3, and 2 little ones. Now I know that in size, this is actually a fewer number or smaller number than 32. You rocked it. Don't forget, let me show you right now. You have homework to do. And if I were you, I'd do it right now. You count, write, and circle. The first ones are greater, just like we did. And then the next page is fewer. Thanks for doing math with me. Feel free to take a picture and show us. Later, Gators.